Today's video of the week is a tutorial on how to navigate the PRA website. To find our website, you must go to PRAK8.org. Here you will find yourself at our homepage. The top bar is a breakdown of all of our schools, and you will find pretty much all the information you need to know right here. Let's start with the home section. This section gives you information regarding the history of PRA, the staff directory, which includes all staff and teacher emails, information about our leadership team, and then all of the committees that you could become involved in here at PRA. There is also a section about our Gifted and Talented program. Moving on. The PRA K5 state section would be where you would find most of your information if you have a child in K through 5. In our About Us section, we talk about our enrollment, the 4 core values that we have here at PRA, school rules, and ways to contact the office. Under Student Life, you will find AR tests, Just Play, which is a site for safe, approved video games that were determined by our SWAT team here at school. Access to Student Journalism, which is our Panther Post. There are past and current volumes of that. There's the Destiny Library Catalog, Home Connect, other online resources for extended learning, daily schedules for K through 5, and should you want to access Schoology, which is where all grades are posted, and there is a parent section to log in and a student section to log in. Let's move back up here. We'll go to academics, which you have access to the type of curriculum that we use here at PRA. And then a really important tab is our Parents tab. Here you will find after school care and before care. This is our partner who is Innovation Learning. All your information there should you need to contact them or sign your child up. There's information about Carline, access to the calendar, which is very important. And here you can either add this calendar to your phone. Then you have access to everything that is going on. Next, there's also information about the dress code. All the current dress code policies are updated here. Access to the family handbook, student fees, other forms and policies, which include, again, the dress code, severe weather dismissal, which includes snow days and also includes how we navigate an Orange Flag Day, any health concerns, different agreements that we have here with your children. If you have a planned absence request, that is available here. Again, the family handbook, information about the governing board, many things that you can find here. And at the end, if you scroll down, you can access lunch. Here, our lunch program partner is Wholesome Food Services, and you can register and pay for lunch here. Or you can go over here and you can buy a punch card. This year we are doing punch cards that are helping us track our beverages, and those can be purchased. This will take you to My School Bucks. Next, we will explore the Get Involved tab. Get Involved does take you back to the parent committees, and it also shows you about our capital campaign hopes for the school, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. And lastly, for regular use, there's this volunteer tab. When you come to the volunteer tab, this basically tells you ways that you can get involved at PRA. There are year-round volunteer opportunities, such as lunch, parent workroom, crossing guard signups, the crossing guard video and tests, family work days, and other opportunities as well, such as any meetings, help for PTO, help for sports, all sorts of different things like that. And there's also classroom volunteer opportunities, and each classroom is listed out, and you can click on it and it will show you where they have areas for you to sign up. You could go to, here's first grade, for example, Thursday folders, and then they have a miscellaneous sign up if you do anything that is outside of a sign up. Or here, first grade needs help with Panther Time. You can just click this view button and you can sign up today. Moving on, we will go to PRA 6 through 8. About us, it's essentially the same as it is for K-5. Student life, the only changes here that you're going to see is athletics. We offer athletics for our 6th through 8th grade kiddos. Here you find information in the PRA Athletic Handbook, the PRA Athletic Packet, sports consent forms, who's eligible to play, and about all of our different sports that we do offer and their schedules. We also have middle school activities and clubs, which is different because we feel in middle school that there are more opportunities for our kids as they grow. And this says some of the things that we offer and the different electives that they can take. Then there also is a link to schedules again and the lunch schedule, which was the same also in K-5. And then we have academics, which can take you to the middle school curriculum. And then parents, this is exactly the same as the other button that was in K-5. The only one we didn't touch on in K-5 was this news button down here. This is important because, hey, did you miss the newsletter? Well, if you did and you want to know what's going on and things that are coming up, this is a continuous blog that we run all throughout the school year that will constantly be changing and updating with all of the current events and activities that are going on. It's basically snippets that are taken from the newsletter and just keeping you informed with it. You need to sign up for things, different policies, forms, etc. So then also you have the same Get Involved tab that you did under PRA K-5. Let's return to our home page, and then we can just quickly go over, there is a quick links bar here, and every now and then some of these things change, but typically the AR Home Connect is here. There's always a link for school supplies should a new family come into PRA anytime during the year. This is access to the same news section that I referred to earlier. News of our enrollment, if you want to donate, if you need to make a school payment, Schoology, to order lunches, and this is our student directory. The student directory has just been updated, and you should have received an email this week that contains the password. It's password protected because we want to keep your information private and only within the PRA community. If you have any questions about that, you can email Heidi Krugland. She will be happy to help you. So that basically sums up our wonderful website. And we're going to sign off with reminding you of the 3 guiding principles that we hold near and dear here at PRA, which are fostering a sense of belonging, honoring traditions, and developing the whole child. We hope that you have a wonderful long weekend, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.